You walk like a duck.
I walk like a duck. That's great.
Here's how you walk. How do you walk?
I walk like this?
Yeah, pretty much.
No, I don't. How would I ever get anywhere?
I don't know.
Look at my footprints.
Why do you get so angry?
I get mad because you do this horse crap every time. I don't walk like a duck. Look at my footprints. I'll just walk.
No, now you're bringing.
No, I'm walking just normal. I know that they're a little bit out.
A little? Look at it.
Okay, there. The good news is I got Josh to help me out with one of my 100 tasks in the course of a day. The bad news is I still have to paint the fender for the 71 Cuda, but it's ready.
But you know, if we had a crime scene and a criminal investigation, they would have said a duck was there. By the way you walk.
All I have to do is endure Darren for the next 45 minutes while I'm painting it, and everything should be fine. You know what I want you to do? I want you someday to listen to yourself and the foolishness that comes out of you. After 10 years of schooling,
he commented on it even this morning.
FBI training, how to inspect a crime scene. That you're going to go to your sergeant and say, oh yeah, you know what? I think it was a duck because of my feet print.
And he'll say you're quacked.
Look at that high line. Look at that. He's got that all messed up right there. Somebody started out putting the tape on wrong.
That tape line represents a body line, and they did not have the body line on the right place on the fender.
All I'm saying is it's just not that, it's not rocket science, my God. It's
Well, maybe not everybody's
rocket science.
talented as you are, Mark, sometimes, okay? That's what you tell us daily.
I really enjoy doing the actual spraying of the cars. The thing is, when people say that 90% of it's in the prep, it really is. It's probably more like 95% in the prep. So it's just great to be able to finally get to the point where you can hold the paint gun in your hand and lay out that sheet of glass that you've been telling everybody you're going to do for the last 2 months. Hey everybody, Mark here from Graveyard Carz. I can't put the top up until you hit subscribe. So I'm begging you, hit subscribe.